Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the Kniphofia plant looks like in grow a garden and whether it's worth or not. Okay, before we check the base value of this Kniphofia, I'm going to show you how you can get the Kniphofia seed. So guys, you can buy the seed from the Fall Festival seed shop right here, and if I'm not mistaken, it costs almost 1 billion shekels. I don't know, I forgot, but it's cheaper, of course, than the golden peach. I think it's 500 million shekels. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how the plant looks like. Okay, this is the Kniphofia. This one, guys, this one. You can only get one fruit from one plant, but it's a multi-harvest plant. Okay, and then I'm going to check the base value of it. I'm going to click how much is this worth. Okay, and this is the base value, and yeah, it's good. The base value is around 160k shekels, so I think it's worth. And the plant looks so beautiful, and it's a defined crop. Okay, and I think it's worth to buy, guys, because it's rare. It's one of the rare seed. So if you see the seed on the Fall Festival seed shop, you can immediately buy it, especially when you have a lot of shekels. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.